Imagine having the power to predict your customer's next move, optimize your operations with pinpoint accuracy, and outmaneuver your competition, all before breakfast. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, it's not. The world's most successful companies are doing this every day, thanks to business intelligence. In this video, we're pulling back the curtain on the top 10 companies using BI to dominate their industries. Whether you're a business owner, a data enthusiast, or just curious about how the big players stay ahead, you won't want to miss this. Let's dive in. Okay, picture this. A scorching summer day, you're parched, and suddenly, a Coca-Cola ad pops up, perfectly timed, offering you a refreshing escape. The ice-cold beverage, with its signature fizz and unmistakable taste, seems to call out to you, promising instant relief from the heat. It's almost as if the ad knew exactly when you'd need it the most. Coincidence? Not a chance. That's the power of business intelligence in action. Behind that perfectly timed ad is a sophisticated network of data analytics, algorithms, and predictive models. These tools work tirelessly to ensure that the right message reaches the right person at the right time. Coca-Cola, the beverage behemoth, doesn't just quench your thirst, it quenches its thirst for data, and uses it to understand you better than you understand yourself. Every sip you take, every bottle you buy adds to a vast reservoir of information. This data is meticulously analyzed to uncover patterns, preferences, and behaviors. They're not just selling sugary drinks, they're selling an experience tailored to your individual preferences. Imagine walking into a store and finding a Coca-Cola product that feels like it was made just for you. That's the magic of personalized marketing, driven by deep insights into consumer data. Think about it, every time you grab a Coke, you're contributing to a massive data pool that Coca-Cola analyzes to predict future trends, optimize their supply chain, and even develop new products that they know you'll crave even before you do. This data-driven approach ensures that Coca-Cola stays ahead of the curve, always ready to meet the evolving tastes and preferences of its consumers. They're basically the cosmic cartographers of the beverage industry, mapping out the constellations of consumer desire. By charting these intricate patterns, Coca-Cola can navigate the complex landscape of consumer behavior, ensuring that they remain a beloved brand across the globe. Their ability to anticipate and respond to consumer needs is what sets them apart, making every sip of Coca-Cola a testament to the power of data-driven innovation. Now let's talk about Netflix, the reigning monarch of the streaming universe. It's not just a platform, it's a phenomenon that has redefined how we consume entertainment. They've turned binge-watching into an Olympic sport, and their secret weapon? It's not just their vast library of content, but something far more sophisticated. You guessed it, business intelligence. This isn't just about numbers, it's about understanding human behavior on a granular level. See, Netflix treats data like a precious resource, more valuable than any Hollywood A-lister. They mine this data to uncover patterns and preferences that even you might not be aware of. They track every click, every pause, every episode you abandon at 2 a.m. and feed it into their algorithms. This isn't just about what you watch, but how you watch it. This allows them to create those eerily accurate recommendations that keep you glued to your screen, wondering, how did they know I needed to watch a documentary about competitive knitting right now? It's almost like they can read your mind. They're basically the puppet masters of your watch list, pulling the strings of your viewing habits with their data-driven insights. Every decision, from what shows to produce to what thumbnails to display, is meticulously calculated to maximize your engagement. So next time you find yourself in a binge-watching marathon, remember, it's not just the content that's captivating you, it's the science behind it. Next up, we have Amazon, the undisputed champion of online retail. They've mastered the art of selling you everything from a toothbrush to a telescope, and their secret weapon is, you guessed it, business intelligence. Amazon's entire business model is built on a foundation of data. They track your every purchase, every search, every time you hover over a product with a wistful sigh, and use that information to create a personalized shopping experience that's more addictive than a bag of chips. They're like the ultimate mind readers, anticipating your needs and desires before you even realize them yourself. Chapter 4, 7, Starbucks brewing up customer loyalty. Now let's talk about Starbucks, the coffee house that's become synonymous with long lines and even longer Wi-Fi passwords. But there's more to Starbucks than just coffee and free internet. Behind those lattes and frappuccinos lies a sophisticated business intelligence operation that drives their success. Starbucks understands that a personalized experience is key to brewing up customer loyalty. They know that each customer is unique and has different preferences. They use BI to analyze your purchase history, track your favorite drinks, and even predict when you're most likely to crave a caffeine fix. This allows them to tailor their offerings to meet your needs. Imagine walking into a Starbucks and being greeted with a recommendation for your favorite drink, just when you need it the most. That's the power of predictive analytics at work. Remember that free drink you got on your birthday? It felt special, didn't it? That wasn't just a random act of kindness, it was a calculated move by Starbucks to make you feel valued and appreciated. By using BI, Starbucks can say happy birthday in a way that feels personal and thoughtful, giving you another reason to keep coming back for more. This strategy not only enhances customer satisfaction, but also builds a strong sense of loyalty and connection with the brand. So next time you sip on your favorite Starbucks beverage, remember that there's a whole team working behind the scenes to make your experience as enjoyable and personalized as possible. It's this blend of technology and human touch that makes Starbucks a leader in customer loyalty and satisfaction. Chapter 5-6, Walmart, the Retail Giant's Data Playbook. Next up we have Walmart, the retail behemoth that's practically synonymous with low prices and endless aisles. But don't let their low-key vibe fool you. Walmart is a data powerhouse. They use BI to manage their sprawling supply chain, optimize their inventory, and ensure that your favorite brand of toilet paper is always in stock. They're basically the logistics wizards of the retail world, using data to move products from point A to point B with the precision of a military operation. Chapter 6-5, Uber, Driving Efficiency with Data. Now let's talk about Uber, the ride-hailing giant that's revolutionized the way we get around. But Uber's success isn't just about connecting riders and drivers, it's about using BI to optimize every aspect of their operations. They use data to determine surge pricing, predict rider demand, and even optimize driver routes to ensure that you get where you need to go as quickly and efficiently as possible. They're basically the astrophysicists of transportation, mapping out the complex gravitational forces of supply and demand in real time. Chapter 7. Next up we have Microsoft, the software giant that's been a fixture in our lives for decades. But Microsoft isn't just about operating systems and office suites, they're also a major player in the world of business intelligence. They offer a powerful BI platform called Power BI that allows businesses of all sizes to analyze their data and make smarter decisions. They're basically the architects of the data-driven world, providing the tools and technologies that empower businesses to unlock the insights hidden within their data. Chapter 8. Google, the data-driven behemoth. Now let's talk about Google, the search engine that's become synonymous with finding anything and everything on the internet. But Google's dominance goes far beyond search. They're a data-driven behemoth that uses BI to power everything from their advertising platform to their self-driving car project. They're basically the librarians of the internet, collecting and organizing vast amounts of data to make it accessible and useful to everyone. Chapter 9. Tesla, the electric revolution fueled by data. Next up we have Tesla, the electric car company that's disrupting the automotive industry. But Tesla's success isn't just about building sleek and sustainable vehicles. It's about using BI to optimize every aspect of their operations. They use data to improve their battery technology, enhance their autopilot system, and even personalize the driving experience for their customers. They're basically the rocket scientists of the automotive world, using data to push the boundaries of what's possible. Chapter 10. Apple, the tech giant's data-driven core. And finally, we have Apple, the tech giant that's become synonymous with innovation and design. But Apple's success isn't just about creating beautiful and intuitive products, it's about using BI to power every aspect of their business. They use data to manage their global supply chain, personalize their customer service, and even predict the demand for their products. They're basically the conductors of the tech orchestra, using data to harmonize every aspect of their operations. And there you have it, our top 10 companies using business intelligence and how they're leveraging data to stay ahead of the game. It's clear that BI is not just a tool, but a critical component of modern business strategy. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. And hey, let us know in the comments which company's BI strategy impressed you the most. Until next time, keep exploring the power of data.